Okay, real quick, home inspections for sellers. You're selling your house, you're wondering, why should I get a home inspection? Aren't the buyers just gonna pay for it? Why would you wait for a buyer to do a home inspection on your house? It is your home, right? And it's your responsibility until you sell the house. And you mean to tell me that you're going to sell a house and you have absolutely no idea what's wrong with it, and you're gonna wait after you put it on the market for a buyer to come with a 20 to 30 point checklist of things that they found wrong in the home inspection that they now want you to fix? Let's not do that. How about you, as the seller, be proactive, get your home inspection, make sure that you are getting things done in that home inspection that are going to affect whatever mortgage the buyer might be getting, whether if it's FHA or VA conventional. Certain things have to meet those appraisal contingencies, and they might be things that need to be fixed on your home inspection. So be proactive, get the home inspection, make sure that the home inspection is actually listed when the house is active on the market, so that they can see ahead of time what things they can anticipate having to be done in the house. And then they know, certain things have been addressed and been taken care of. Just be transparent. Go ahead and get the home inspection, and allow the buyers to see that you care. You've done your due diligence. They're, not walking into a trap of not knowing what to expect. They know, they're fully prepared for it. And then they might feel, if they feel comfortable enough knowing that you're transparent, then that's one less thing that they have to do. Now, yes, they can still decide to have their contractor or home inspector come in, but if they can see that you've had a thorough home inspection, and remember, you may not just want to request a home inspection, because there are different add-ons. Like if you have a basement, you might want to add on a radon testing. If you have a well, you want to do well testing. So just remember that there are certain things that you can add on to just a general home inspection that you want to take into consideration. But go ahead, be proactive, make sure it's uploaded in the listing when your agent puts it on the market. And this is one less thing that the buyers have to do, which allows them to not have to have that home inspection contingency in there when they're making you an offer of 3 to 5 days. They don't have to wait on a home inspection. They can look at your report, see everything is done. So something to think about for you sellers. Be savvy when you're selling your house.